This recipe for apricot chicken is one of those meals that you'd be happy to be served in a restaurant. The chicken is juicy, the sauce is rich and sweet. We only use about 7 ingredients. It cooks in the one pan in under 20 minutes. It is a total winner, and I think you're going to love it. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptiste, and welcome to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Now, I love simple recipes like this one, when you just pan fry the meat and whip up a quick, rich, simple sauce that will just glaze and coat the chicken and take it to the next level. They're so easy to prep, which is ideal for midweek cooking. Yet the enjoyment you get from eating it is really high and not really relative to how easy it was to make it. The recipe also just uses chicken, an onion, some garlic, thyme, apricot jam, wine and stock. Ingredients you probably already have in the house. If not, you'll easily be able to pick them up next time you go out. It is a total winner, and this is how you cook it. So start off by chopping up an onion as small as you can go. I'm using a white onion, but this recipe works really well with a red onion or shallots if you've got them in the fridge. And then slice up your chicken breasts so you've got them about 1 centimeter thick. This just allows them to cook quicker and more evenly throughout. Season with black pepper, and then you want to pan fry these on a medium heat with some oil until they're about 90% cooked through, but so they've got some nice colouring and they're starting to crisp up a little bit on the outside. Once they are pretty much cooked all the way through, remove them from the pan, and we'll cook them fully once we make the sauce, so that's why they don't need to be fully cooked at this stage. Then in the same pan, add your onion. You won't need to add any more oil, there should be enough in the pan as is. And you want to pan fry these until they start to turn golden brown and all the bits from the bottom of the pan start to loosen off. At this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could hit that like button. It really does help me with the growth of the channel and it won't interrupt this video. Then once your onions are cooked, you're going to add 1 garlic clove or about 5 grams of garlic, and you're just going to fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Once that garlic has been cooked through, we're going to start adding more of the ingredients for the sauce. First off, we're going to use 100 ml of white wine. If you don't drink, you could use extra stock, so 200 ml of chicken stock or 300 ml if you're not including any alcohol, along with 80 grams of apricot jam. Then you just want to mix that through and start to sort of break up the jam a little bit. It'll dissolve when the sugars start to dissolve when the heat comes up, so don't worry about it if there's some little lumps in it just now, they won't be there very soon. And then add the chicken back to the pan, along with any juices that have accumulated on the plate. Throw in a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme or a half teaspoon of dried thyme and allow that to simmer for about 10 minutes on a medium to high heat to allow the sauce to thicken up. Baste it now and again throughout the cooking process, and that is it. All you need to do is serve and garnish with something green and then get stuck in. So that's how you cook apricot chicken. Absolutely delicious recipe. I love these really simple recipes that just use a few ingredients, go on the frying pan and they're done. If you like the look of this recipe, you'll probably like the 5 ingredient 1 pan chicken thighs recipe that I posted recently. And there should be a little pop-up that'll come up here and you can watch that recipe, because if you like this, you will definitely like that one. And if you want the full recipe with all the macros and the calories and the full written recipe, it's inside my app, and you can access the app if you just click the link below in the description, and you'll get this recipe along with about 280 odd other ones, and we're adding new recipes to the app every month. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't had a chance yet, so you get notified as soon as I post a new video, usually on a Monday and Thursday. And that's it. I'm going to get stuck in. I'll speak to you later.